It is colorful time, and we have this puke green. Yeah. Oh. So brown is last.
Yes. I tried. It hates me.
I was like, should have at least given you the green. But I see. And you know, with deductive reasoning, we could have seen that green was there.
Yeah.
So it's green, orange, brown. Hard mode. Let's go.
Just going in a line.
Interesting. Now you not pressing enter. Okay, so it's maybe lavender here, then dark red. So we'll put lavender there, but dark red second.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, so it's something dark red, lavender, dark blue. Oh yeah. Lime. Lime, dark red, lavender, dark blue. How did you do today? That was all right.